whole city go against me. Every time I'm in the street, I hear.
It's now the next day, and hopefully by the end of today, we got the yellow FRS all assembled. I got the homie Oscar with me, helping me assemble the yellow FRS. And then I got the homie Alvin, that's gonna be doing the cut and buff on the kit. This is my detailer, guys. Before we can go ahead and work on the yellow FRS, we gotta move it towards this way so we have more space to work on it. So let's swap places with the S14. Oscar. Oscar are going to start out by disassembling the entire car. That means stock fenders, stock bumpers, stock headlights. Basically everything on this car that is stock, we're removing. You ready, Oscar?
I'm ready, bro.
Y'all want to see what we say to fender liners on this channel? That's what we do, baby. We got some new parts for the car too. We're kissing goodbye to these stock headlights, and we're installing these classic V-Lamp headlights, baby. And on top of that, we're removing the stock exhaust and we're putting on the MXP exhaust right here. We got the homie Koo. Who remembers this man? Only the OGs remember Koo. But he's taking off the stock exhaust and he's about to slap on the aftermarket one. How's working down there, bro?
Been a while since I did an exhaust system. STI days. Yeah.
STI days. Major throwback. Koo got the stock exhaust out. Now it's time to bring in the new shiny exhaust. Good job, Koo. How you feeling?
Tired.
Look at this man. He came fitted for what?
Chill.
So since the whole cap back is out, Koo wants to freaking start the car and see how it sounds. Here. You do the honors, bro.
The honors.
Hop in, bro.
Oh, you gotta hop in. Yeah, let's push the start, bro.
Man, my neighbors are about to kill me.
What?
Listen. Oh my god. Bro, that is ridiculous.
Way too loud. What is...
Fuck that. I don't understand how people can straight pipe their shit. That sounds terrible. Okay, now you really gotta put on the exhaust before my parents kill me, bro.
Annie, how did that sound like that?
Because there's no exhaust on it.
Oh. It's just the engine?
Yeah. We just finished putting the exhaust on. Look at that. Look at them dual tips now. All right, Koo, you want to do the honors? Let's hear how she sounds.
And also, I got 2 eyebrows.
It's still so fucking loud. Oh my god. It's still hella loud, bro. You liking the car or what?
Yeah, I didn't even know it pops.
Koo has to dip. Thank you so much for installing the exhaust, bro.
No problem, bro. You know what I'm saying?
Yep, go have fun at your football practice, bro.
Yep.
Get swole, baby. Y'all want to see the powers of hidden hardware? Check this out. Come on, bolt right up. Boom, look at that. In case you guys wanted to swap your FRS with the Koki front end, which is like the new catfish looking bumper, all you're gonna need is that bumper and these headlight brackets right here, left and right, of the 2017 Toyota 86s. So it should be bolt in, and once you have this, A1 steak sauce. I'm gonna transfer this fourth brake light from this bumper to the new bumper. Trash, not trash. Before we can go ahead and slap on the bumper, we gotta put on these extension pieces right here. Also hidden hardware. She thick, boy. She thick. So we're trying to take off this OEM duckbill, and this thing does not want to come on. We tried fishing line, sticks, and everything. So 3M is literally a gift from heavens until you have to take it off.
I think.
Bro, at this point, I'm about to just break this shit off, but we don't want to dent the car at all. Oh my god, bro.
You gotta rip it off from this side.
Alright, bro, go crazy. Okay. Okay.
Where's the fishing
Just
line?
snap. Okay, Alvin was right. This thing is bolted in back here, which makes no sense. Look at that. Because once we take that off, there's gonna be holes.
We're about to break the man's car.
Bruh, I just took this off. Who thought it was a good idea to use fucking studs to mount a duckbill? Now there's holes here.
This is OEM?
Yeah, this is OEM. I guess that's...
I put an ouch sticker right here.
put a band-aid right here. But we are not dealing with that. Alright y'all, we're about to drill the holes for the wide body. Once you do this, there's really no going back. Well, never mind, once you cut the quarter panels, there's no going back. I pretty much got the entire left side all screwed in and everything. Look at that. Boom, that looks so good. This is gonna be held in by either double-sided tape or Velcro. I haven't decided yet. So now the only thing left to do is to install the underside of the side skirts, which is this right here, and it's just held on by some self-tappers. So let's go ahead and start drilling them in.
Be careful. Alright? My hand's getting tired. Hurry up. Alright? What just happened?
Oh my god, guys, this looks so freaking insane. This brings back so many memories when I first got my car done, but this time I'm doing everything myself with the help of Nick and the bros. Check it out.
Look at that car. It looks
Oh
like
my god, that looks so freaking good, guys.
it looks like his car, but just yellow.
It does look like my car, but just yellow, because it is. We basically got this entire side done. Now we only got the other side and the front bumper left to do. god, so I just went to the other side, getting ready to mount the side skirts. And then I looked down and I was like, hold up. What the fuck happened there, bro? It looked like someone either tried to jack that up or he hit something hella hard. Bro, that is fucked.
Someone wanted to eat that piece.
Look at that. Bro, I hope I'm still able to put on the side skirts.
Crazy.
I should be able to. Okay, let's slap it on, guys. Check that out. I got this side on. So the only thing we got to do now is finish the front end, baby. We got the headlights on. So let's go ahead and slap the lip onto the bumper and put it on the freaking car. Yo, look at that. It looks so fire with the lip. Oh my god. We got the lip all on. Now we're gonna slap on the bumper extension, and how I'm gonna put this on is using freaking rivets, baby. Okay, I lied. I ended up using self-tappers, a lot easier. So if you guys have this aim gain front end, use self-tappers. Don't use rivets. This shit was awful using rivets. So obviously, we got this in, we got the lip in. Now, we can throw it onto the car.
There you go.
Oh my god, bro. Holy shit. Hold up. Hold up.
That's hella nice.
Oh! Yo! Yo! Bro!
That's crazy.
Yo! That looks so freaking sick. Oh my god. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think of this car right now. Man, this makes me miss my car so much. Not gonna lie, the yellow is clean. The yellow is clean.
Oh,
the yellow is pretty clean, bro.
That's sick.
At first when my homie told me he wanted to go yellow, I was like, I don't know about that. But seeing the looks of this is freaking insane. Let me go ahead and take the car off the jack stands and air it out so you guys can see how low the kit actually is. I got the car off the jack stands. Now I'm gonna go ahead and air it out for you guys to see how she looks. The fitment might be a little whack right now, but just wait, I got something for you guys. Here, I'm gonna pass the camera over to Alvin. God, bro. This is actually insane. I can't believe I'm literally seeing my car, but yellow. This is crazy.
Oh, check out
Rip the FRS. Fitment check. Damn. All right, y'all know what time it is. Cue the cinematics. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Today was really freaking productive. We got new headlights, we got new exhaust, We got the whole entire kit fitted on, bumper, side skirts, over fenders, everything. And so if you guys like today's video, make sure to smash the like button down below and let me know, are you guys excited to see the rest of this FRS build, or do you guys miss my blue FRS? And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Oh, huge shout out to Alvin for coming through too.
Oh, thank you.
You, bro.
Thank you.